Milwaukee at this building. See these ones, older ones too. Oh, huh? It has the old logo. The old logo. Interesting. I've not seen a series one with that kind of branding before. These must be like really old. Let's see right here. This building is built. Space up here and a couch. That couch probably got a nice view of that corner there. Somebody must just come up here to hang out. There's the spot. Yeah, these are definitely these are pretty old even for LRV. They're neat. Probably like early 80s. Yeah, probably early 80s, mid to early 80s, I'd say these are from. And capacity is 2,500 pounds. I'm gonna go up to 2 because he's pre-door and I want to show that. It's got this old keypad for putting in a code. It's got red everything. Red indicator, red lantern. Huh, look, people are building stuff in here. Looks like the chemistry sort of stuff. I really don't know that much about chemistry. I barely passed the class in high school. Yep, they took the LRV fashion. He's definitely three-door. Anyway, it might just sit open, or not. Anyway, that's it.